Hi, welcome to Amna's kitchen. This is Baba Bilal, and it's a lot hot in here, as you can see it from my sweat. So let's just make a chilling glass of banana Oreo smoothie. It will be quite yummy. Let's just take a look at the ingredients. You'll let me just get it. You'll need a liter of icy cold chilling water. You'll need about 10 to 15 Oreo biscuits. Actually, I was only able to obtain 12 of them. You'll need about 250 grams of yogurt, and it shall be vanilla flavored, not sweetened or not any other flavor. You'll need about 6 bananas, slice them very well, and about 6 to 8 tablespoons of sugar, as much as you like. You'll also need about powdered milk. I am using Nero here. It's just I was only able to obtain this one. And you will also need 8 tablespoons of this. So let's just get started for this. And oh, I just forgot this. You'll need aloe vera extract and chocolate essence. These two are optional. If you like more chocolatey, then you can use this, and if you want it to be a little bit healthy, then you can use the aloe vera essence. It is actually a very good thing for your skin. Let me just wash my hands. Yeah, actually very sweaty. So I've washed my hands. Let's just get started. Let's just take the jug and put our Oreo biscuits in it. Just dip on. Oh, actually just broke. And there we go. Just putting it. These biscuits just broke because of they were in my pocket, and my brother just punched them. Oh man, they just open. Well, that's actually no need for you to just. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. I just had to go to washroom. It was really urgent, so I'm back. Let's just continue. We have put it all the Oreos, and let's just put the yogurt. Just obtain a spoon for this. Well, actually the yogurt is optional. If you want more thick, you can add half a kilogram. If you want less thick, you can add a little bit lesser. Now here goes all of the yogurt inside, and let's just put this away. Let's just take the banana slices and just put them in. Now if you want some other taste, you can add any other fruit except banana. I actually like banana the most, so I'm using banana. You can use whatever food you like, and I don't have a strawberry, but you can even put a strawberry in it. Yeah. Let's just get to the finishing. Let's just add the water. Let's just first make our milk. Let's just grab the powdered milk, fold it. It will be a lot easier to put this up if we have folded. Now we'll need about 3 spoons. Oh. Now we'll need 8 spoons leavened, because if you add less, then your milk will not be that much milk, and if you add more, then too it will not be that much. Sweaty again. Let's just hurry up. And there you go. And milk is complete. Let's add the sugar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and that's enough. Let's just strike a big spoon and mix it up really well. get rid of this. Let's just pour this in it. Pour slowly, and there you go. Now let's just add the chocolate essence. Now be careful with this, don't add too much, only about, careful, just 1, 2 or maximum 3 drops of it. Now this will be a lot challenge for you to obtain this, it's actually quite hard. Let's just add this, let's just get 1 tablespoon of aloe vera extract. These two things are optional. If you don't like this, you cannot add this and it will still not play with the flavor. So I had a little bit problem with the blender. Now it's alright. Let's just blend it up. No. Okay, I have an other Oreo biscuit left for the garnishing, and let's just remove the cream. Let's just remove it. This is the worst part of it. Here we go. Let's just turn them into pieces. Let's just do it by hand. I don't have any hammer or plastic bag. And there you go. And let's just pour this up in a glass. As you can see, it's really thick. Just put this up. Let's just put the green one. Yum. Okay, so my chocolate smoothie is ready and it's looking quite yummy. Let's just try it up. It's quite well. You should also make it and drink it and subscribe to our channel for a new video. And thanks for watching.